Maz at Triple C Creations. Hey, it's Maz. It's the next night after we got the Jeep fired up. I managed to get the blade, the bracket straightened out, and get some of that going. So the blade will get mounted right shortly here. But first, I want to get that power steering working, because it seriously is just a brute to steer without power steering. You don't want to. So we're gonna see if we can figure out why that power steering is leaking. If it's an O-ring, let's see if we can figure out what's going on, and we'll get at her, and then we'll try to put the blade on it, and then yeah, that's maybe first thing in the morning we'll give her a shot and push some snow around and see how it goes. So hope you enjoy the video. Let's get at her. So I need you to take a look at this. The previous owner that I got this from, oh yeah, she's even got a crazy CB in her even. Awesome. It actually works. There it goes. Sorta. Okay, check this out. How's this for a custom key? See this? That piece of pipe, squashed, washer welded onto it. It fits inside. This is AMC Jeeps. They use the GM ignition columns, and there you go. Pretty snazzy, eh? Oh yes, and the AM radio works. This. Oh, can't play too much. I don't want to get copyright here, but it works. Okay, Maz here again. Yeah, I noticed something. I seem to like the word okay. So I made a short little vid at the end of the video that will say, well, show how many times I said okay in this video alone. Take a wild guess, and then at the end of the video, see if you were right on how many times I say okay. I didn't realize it till now. I was going through the videos that I say okay a lot. So I made a short little montage or short little vid, and yeah, near the end of the video you'll see it. So let's get on with the rest of the video. Okay. This top hose here's return line. This one down here, my finger's on. It's leaking right at the fitting. I think I need to reflare it. It's just pressure line. Fire it up and she starts leaking out of there right away. So it's been patched up a couple times with a compression fitting here and a line here. There's been another hose. This one came off of a Dodge car or something. Or no, what did it come off of? Ford. So the Ford pressure hose on here, on a Chevy pump, on an AMC motor, an AMC Jeep. They kind of mismatched. Whatever, they could, you know, they took parts from, you know, it's kind of like a Ford style carburetor sort of on a Dodge style engine with a Chevy alternator and a Chevy power steering pump. It's got the Chevy brake booster and master cylinder. Let's see, the ignition box is Ford. So anyways, we're gonna take that line off, and then we're gonna try to see if it's cracked and reflare it if we have to. We'll get this fixed so it doesn't leak any more power steering, so we can get power steering back, because this thing is just nothing but a brute to steer. And then we'll get this thing straightened out, and then we'll mount that blade on, and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna rig up some more lights on this thing up on the roll bar. This roll bar here, I actually made it for a friend there for his 94, I think it was 94 Chevy pickup 4x4, and he got rid of the truck, so we kept the roll bar. So it actually ironically fits very well in this Jeep. This is all made of, believe it or not, exhaust pipe and drive shafts. So the exhaust pipe curves, and the straight pipes are drive shafts, and she's solid. So Might mount some lights up on there. Maybe just put some hose clamps for now. Might weld some brackets on. We'll see. And yeah, so let's get at her. Okay, we got the line hooked up. I lost a little fluid there. I'm changing stuff. Let's fire her up. See if I got any leaks. I got one O-ring that was actually an O-ring in there. It was torn. I had an O-ring. I'll put it on. I don't know if it's going to be the right size. So we got to see if it's leaked. If it leaks, then I got to go wait till tomorrow and go pick up a new O-ring. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, oh, she's leaking, I think. A sec here. Yeah, leaking. Okay, took the line back off again because it was still leaking. Let's see. Well, it's not the O-ring. I changed the O-ring because it was in bad shape. I had another O-ring that should have worked. And I thought it would work. But, let's see if we can get it. If we can make this out. Come on. Ah, come on, camera, focusing. Why can't I get the camera to focus? Hold on a sec here. I'm going to try something here. There we go. See it right there? Ah. Come on. Let's see that fine little crack right there? That's why it's leaking. So we're going to see if we can patch that up. We're going to do a little soldering job on there. Get some good heat. I'll heat her up, melt her in, and we'll try again. Okay. We're going to clean up that line. And we'll buff it up. We'll see if we can solder this up. I got this stuff right. Make sure you take the O-ring off before you do all this, or you just wasted an O-ring for nothing. Now this will probably help. Take a little bit of some kind of etching cleaner, acetone. That's what we're using here. This should work. Get all the oils out of it. So there's a better chance of bonding, oxidation. It's starting to take now. Okay, let's try this again. It only took about, I don't know, 10 tries to resolder and clean it and clean it and solder it and clean it. So let's give her a shot. Oh. I know she's a little low in oil yet. Let's see if she leaks now. Probably can't hear me. I don't see any leaks. We'll get some more oil in her and we'll try that out. I don't see anything underneath, so I think we got her. real close look here. That's the main stop. Just the manifold. Sorry about the noise. This is the way she is. I'll see if it'll smooth her out with the choke here a little bit. Here, I think he spent his last winter. Okay. Okay, we got the line. Okay. Took the. Okay. Okay. Hey, it's Maz here. Oh, wait for it. There he is. What would we do without the train in the, the video? So, yeah, at least this guy's pretty good. He only honks her a couple times. There's one guy that's like, But, we managed to get the power steering working. It's still working. No leaks out of it. We got the blade working decent. Pushed a little snow in the video here. So now it's ready for when and if we get deep snow. And, yeah, now I can stay nice and warm, cruise around in the Jeep. And then, yeah. So, yeah, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, hit the like button below, bell icon on, I think it's this side, I think, and it'll notify you to any uploads I got. I've been averaging now maybe 2 to 3 videos a week. We'll see how things go, and yeah, so like and subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next video. This is Maz. Bye.